Hi, it's Heidi with Nest Pretty, and thank you for joining me on my Wardrobe Wednesday episode. And frankly, I don't have anything to do in my closet. That is one benefit to the 10-piece wardrobe. It eliminates the entire chore of having to organize your closet. There's nothing in it. So this is something I learned this week. It all came to a head and everything was dirty. So I had to wash everything at once. I do have a few things that still need to be ironed, but I'm back in business. Also, here's something I learned this week, or I heard, and it really resonated with me, and I'm getting excited at the concept. What I heard was another person speaking of how she has just decided to only wear neutrals in her closet. And I was like, that's brilliant. I love it. I love making decisions once so that you don't have to spend any time with the mental chatter. And so when I heard that, I'm like, yeah, definitely, I'm going to do that. And I think I'm just going to say blue and white. And then just add pops of color through accessories like necklaces, shoes. So that's what I'm going to do. And I do believe that will simplify. I know I had a friend once who she had decided that she was only going to buy red shoes. How cute is that? And it helped her because that meant everything she purchased for her wardrobe had to match red shoes. Otherwise, it wasn't coming into her wardrobe. So sometimes setting parameters like that, which is basically what a capsule wardrobe is deciding in advance what colors is going to be your neutral foundation and then what accent color you're going to add. And that's what a capsule wardrobe is. But making that decision just once is fantastic because it just simplifies the entire shopping process and it takes the overwhelm out of, do I get hot pink or do I get neon yellow? You know, it just makes it so easy. So that's something I'm going to do. I know I'm getting close to the next season, the spring season, 10-piece wardrobe. So I'm going to curate those with my new parameter in mind, blue and white. So that is my new thing. Since I don't have anything to organize, I have to think of something to take up my, mental energy. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so that's it. The other thing that's on my docket, and I know I've been talking about this for weeks and weeks, is I'm ready to get my shoe boxes so that my shoes are covered and contained and cared for. So that's something that's definitely on my list. I may have to make a trip to the store, though, because they won't ship it to me. But otherwise, the 10-piece wardrobe is a success, and I'm slightly addicted to it already. So I'm curious what your thoughts are about it. I know that when I first was trying to decide on what to put in here, I did have a few moments of panic, but ultimately, we've all done this before. Anytime you've packed for a trip of any length, you have chosen perhaps a 10-piece wardrobe. And what that means is you spent time considering each item. Does it match with the other items? Does it match with your shoes? Does it fit? Do you love it? Is it comfortable? Is it perfect for the precipitation that you will be traveling to? and the temperatures. And what if it gets cold at night? Do you have something to layer with it? So all of those things you have done. And remember how great it felt on your trip to not give 1 second thought to your clothing. You just got dressed because you already did all the thinking. So ultimately, that's what this 10-piece capsule wardrobe is, but it's kind of like on the next level, and I'm thrilled. So if you have any questions, I'm here to answer them for you. There is a new blog post, and it's ultimately talking about how to organize your closet if you're not ready to do the huge overhaul. So head over to HeidiGammo.com and check it out. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a lovely evening.